Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. I'm Shuparna. So in this video, I'm going to create a soft glam makeup look. Hope you'll enjoy this video. So yeah, without wasting any more time, let's get into the video. Okay, so today in this video, I'm going to create a soft glam makeup look. And while I do my makeup, I thought of like chatting with you guys a little bit so that in the beginning I'm going to use the sunscreen because whatever the weather is, whichever the season is, you should wear a sunscreen while you're going out during the daytime. I know everyone knows this, but a short reminder, मतलब फ्री का ज्ञान बांटने में मतलब कुछ ज़्यादा ही अच्छा लगता है. Okay, jokes apart, I am here using this Lakme Sun Expert SPF 50 UVB Ultra Matte Gel Light and Non-Sticky Sunscreen. So you can use whatever sunscreen you have with you. This much. अच्छा, तो मेरा प्राइमर ख़त्म हो गया. So I didn't buy any of the primer now just because I'm really broke in this lockdown. No, I can't tell. I don't have any money. I'm literally broke. So you should apply your primer before starting your makeup. अच्छा, तो मैं जेल यूज़ कर रही हूँ यहाँ पे द गुड वाइब्स हवाना मैंगो जेल. आई हैव शोन you this product. I've given a detail about this product in my skincare video. If you haven't watched it, so please go and watch it. It's in my description box. I'll give the link of that video. You can surely go and check that out. So now I'm gonna apply foundation. So basically I do not apply a lot of foundation because I like to keep the makeup as natural as I can. So that's it. You can actually, I don't get any foundation. I haven't got any foundation yet which matches my skin tone, like shade perfectly. Never. Every time I buy a foundation I regret like oh my god, ये मेरा shade नहीं है. I have to mix 2-3 foundation together to bring my actual shade. So yeah, I'm looking hilarious right now, so I should blend it before I talk with you guys. Blend. So all you have to do is to blend your foundation really nice so that it doesn't look cakey at all. You can even use a brush. Okay, so I'm going to apply some foundation in my neck as well because I don't want them both to look different from each other. So yeah, and I'm using this brush for blending the foundation here. Okay, so now I will proceed using a concealer. For concealer, I'm using this Wet n Wild Photo Focus concealer, and my shade is medium beige. The bridge of my nose, some here as well. Actually, in the areas where I have problems. Now I'm going to use the same sponge for dabbing, blending all the concealer in. I literally used to stand in front of the mirror and talk to myself saying, "Hi guys, welcome to my channel. See, I'm getting ready. So let's proceed our makeup," out of nowhere. And my mom used to enter suddenly in the room and used to say, "Whom are you talking to?" That was the weirdest, situation I used to face. I used to think, am I mad? But no guys, I am not. Please don't judge me, but I used to do this a lot of times. Okay, so I'm done blending my concealer. Now I'll just powder my face a little bit. You can use a translucent powder or you can use a compact powder, so whatever you're convenient with. Here I'm using the Maybelline White Superfresh Compact and my shade is Shell.
Powder my face nicely.
With our eye makeup, as I said, I'm going to create a soft glam makeup look. So in that case, I am going to keep my eye makeup a little heavy, and my lip, I'm going to keep it nude so that it matches perfectly. And then just blend it with the same sponge. So I'm using this brush. And I'm using this Morphe Jaclyn the Hill palette, and For my transition shade, I'm going to use this and this together.
Then I'm going to go all over my
I'm going to contour my crease a little bit. For that, I'm going to use this shade right here.
all around my crease, blending it nicely.
Just you need to keep patience while you're blending your eye makeup, because it's really necessary to blend it properly, because you don't want any harsh lines showing. Done blending the eye makeup. Can you see the sunlight falling in my face? Wow, it looks beautiful. So yeah, I'm done contouring my crease. Can you see? I'm using this brush and I'm going to apply this and this shade together, and I'm going to apply it all over my lid. So I'm going to do the same in this eye as well. Now I'm done applying it. So with a clean fluffy brush, first I'm going to blend it nicely.
And I'm going to blend all the eyeshadow nicely.
Black shade from here, and just to give an illusion of a cut crease, I'm not going to do cut crease, just an illusion of cut.
Okay, now I'm going to blend it using a clean brush. So yeah.
Okay, then so now I'm going to clean this outer corners with concealer. This shade right here. I'm going to bake my face using this Lakme rose powder with sunscreen, and my shade is soft pink. So take this blender.
On my eyes, the bridge of my nose, which is actually the areas where I've used concealer before. And so I'm going to use.
Okay, so now I'm going to leave it for 5 minutes like this, and till then I'm going to apply eyeliner.
It's actually a task to apply with the eyeliner cream.
Okay, so I'm done applying the eyeliner. I think both the eyes look same, quite a bit. Okay, so now I'm going to remove the powder. I'm going to mix this two together, and then I'm going to apply it. And now I'm going to apply a little bit kajal. So for kajal, I'm using this NYBay, the big apple of my eye.
There's a small gap which is created, so I have filled the gap. Here as well, I'm going to do the same.
Now, with my ring finger, I'm going to blend it all the way. I'm going to fill up my brows because it's looking hilarious. It's not matching with my makeup. So I'm going to fill up my brows using the same eyeshadow palette, using this brush. My eyebrows are not done for like now 3 months or more than 3 months. I don't want to take any risk, so I'm just filling up the gaps. Okay, this is it what I can do for now because my eyebrows condition is really bad until and unless I go to the parlor and do my eyebrows. So yeah, now let's just move on to contour, and I use this brush for contouring. So I just make a fish face like this and I contour. So now I'm going to contour my nose. Because I love the suntan look. I really love it. Okay, so you can definitely see the difference after I contour my face. Can you? I think you can. Okay, so I'm done with contouring my face. Now I'm going to apply some blush. Smile.
While you're applying blush,
I'm going to use this blender to blend it so that it looks natural. So it's done, and now it's time for highlighting. So yeah, I'm super excited because I love highlighting my face. You can give me highlighter and I'll apply it all over my face, all over my body, because I genuinely love how that glow comes when you highlight your face. I love Swiss Beauty Shimmer Brick Highlighter. I'm going to use this two shades together and to apply it in the inner corners. Okay, so we are done highlighting our face, and now I'm going to apply some mascara. Okay, so I'm using Maybelline New York the Hyper Curl Mascara. This one is really nice. So, you know, it just makes my eye look wider, more open. So yeah, I love it. Yeah, we are done. Okay, now I'm just left wearing my lipstick and some accessories. So before that, I'm going to quickly change and come and wear my outfit. So yeah, let's go and just change my outfit. Okay, so I have changed my outfit and now I'm going to apply my lip shade. So as I told that I'm going to keep my lips nude. So I'm applying this shade. This one's from NY Bae and the shade is Passionate Pamela 12. So this is a beautiful peachy pink shade. I love this shade, so I'm going to apply this. I'm not yet satisfied, so I'm using this one. This one is the Lakme Enriched Satins 143. The shade number is 143 and the shade name is not mentioned here. And now for fixing all of this, I'm going to use a fixer. For the fixer, I'm using this Blue Heaven Makeup Fixer Mist Spray On formula. This one. Yeah. Okay, so now until it dries up, I'm gonna wear my hoops. So I'm gonna wear these hoops. These were actually gifted by my best friend in my birthday, and I love wearing hoops. She knows that. I think I'm all done right now. Can you see? Let me know that what you think about this look. And now I am going to quickly show you my full outfit. So yeah, let's go.
Yeah, you got that.
You got what I want, Sony. Mithi galla karke tu na ja goriye. Hey, I think about it every day. Baby looking like Khana Khazana on a plate. Hey, like mithai, like kulfi, rasmalai. Pista barfi, sardiyan vich garmi lagdi. Jad vi tu mere raah vichon chaldi.
Bonafide stallion. You need no stable, no, you stay on the run. Ain't on the side, you're number one. Yeah, every time I come around, you get it done. 50 love the way you split it. 100 racks on me, spin it, babe. Light a match, get lit it, babe. Like jet set, watch the sunset, kinda. Yeah. Rolling eyes back in my head, make my toes curl, yeah. Yeah, you got that.
Alright guys, that's it for today's video. I hope you didn't get much bored watching this video. But if you enjoyed watching this, do not forget to give it a big thumbs up. Share this video with your friends, family and everyone. And also please do subscribe to my channel. Hit the bell button so that whenever I will put up a new video, you will get notified. And yeah, also let me know in the comments below what you think about the look I created in this video. I'll see you in my next video. Until we meet, keep laughing, keep loving, take care.